Yeah, shall we show them another trick? I think they'd enjoy it. Let's show you this. So, a lot of people have been asking me about this crankshaft pulley. Take a serpentine. First, crank this up as tight as you can get it. You need to do that first. After you do that, serpentine just like that. Take the serpentine. And if you can, take this one because it'll bend nicer. See how I'm doing this? See how she's tied? Come up and around and through here. After you've done so, take a ratchet strap. I'm going to take 1/2 of it. Make sure the hook is this way. Now, look at this. Find a piece of frame. I found right here was good. You can even wrap it around, do whatever the heck you want. But check this out. Keep her nice and tight. And crank it tight to the point where you think your ratchet is gonna fail, because it probably will. No, it won't. All right, once you got it, torque wrench. This one is 130 foot-pounds. So we're gonna take her, crank her up to 130 foot-pounds. That is a lot of foot-pounds, my friends, a lot. So now that we've got her at 130, we lock in our torque. Grab this bad boy, then this one. I am so not going to be able to do this from right here. Well, there you go. I've already got her at 130. But what you would do is, of course, go in your increments until you get to 130. There's no real increments. Just keep cranking her until she hits 130. We're at 130. She's good. Make sure you watch all your digits when you release it. Come over here and just like that. Unhook. Bob's may or may not be your uncle, but that is a quick way to do that. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for giving my dog a little bit of attention. Enjoy your evening.